The most popular helmet lock isn't always the best. Most people just grab whatever has the most reviews or the flashiest ad. But when your helmet's worth over $200, you can't afford to guess. Today, I'm breaking down the real winners based on security, ease of use, and how they actually hold up in real riding conditions. Product number 1, Windance Keyed Alike Dual Lock. First up is the Windance 2-pack helmet lock. This one caught my eye because it comes with 2 locks and 4 keys, all keyed alike. That means one key opens both locks. At $19.25, it's priced right in the mid-range, and it's built for standard 22mm handlebars, so it won't fit fat bars or Harleys. If you want simple, reliable security without juggling multiple keys, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The aluminum body is anti-corrosion and cut-resistant, and the pin tumbler lock uses a tamper-proof screw design. You're not stopping a pro thief, but you are deterring casual grabs, the kind that happen in parking lots when you run into a coffee shop. The fact that all 4 keys work on both locks, huge win for convenience. No more fumbling through your keychain trying to find the right one. Now some people might complain about the lack of reviews. It's sitting at 0 stars with no feedback yet. Here's the thing though, Windance is a known brand in motorcycle accessories, and this model has over 100 sales in the past month. That tells me riders are trying it, even if they're not leaving public reviews yet. Also, it doesn't fit all bikes, so if you've got a Harley or custom bars, skip it. This is perfect for you if you ride a standard sport bike or standard cruiser and want a clean, mounted solution that keeps your helmet secure without extra hassle. Skip this one if you have non-standard handlebars or want something portable you can toss in your bag. Product number 2, ROCKBROS 4-digit retractable lock. Next is the ROCKBROS 4-digit cable lock, a completely different approach. At $20.53, it's not mounted to your bike at all. Instead, it's a retractable cable lock with a 4-digit code you can reset. It stretches up to 59 inches and weighs almost nothing. If you want flexibility and don't want to drill into your bike, this is a smart alternative. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You can wrap it around your handlebars, luggage rack, or even a fixed object like a pole. The 4.6mm steel cable is PVC coated to prevent scratches and resist cutting. And because it's code-based, you don't need keys, just remember your combo. Pro tip, take a photo of your code and save it somewhere safe. Forgetting it means you're stuck. Now some people worry about cable locks being weaker than solid locks. Here's the thing though, this isn't meant to stop a determined thief with bolt cutters. It's a deterrent. Most opportunistic thefts happen fast, and a visible lock like this makes your helmet less appealing. Plus, it doubles as a luggage or stroller lock, so it's useful off the bike too. This is perfect for you if you ride multiple bikes, travel often, or want a lightweight backup lock. Skip this one if you leave your bike unattended for long periods or live in a high-theft area. Product number 3, ROCKBROS Lightweight Combo Lock. Now, if the previous ROCKBROS lock felt a bit bulky, this next one takes portability even further. The ROCKBROS Lightweight Combo Lock is only $12.83, making it the cheapest on this list, and weighs just 100 grams. It's a resettable 4-digit cable lock that stretches to 60 inches. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The steel cable is reinforced and coated in PVC, so it won't scratch your bike or helmet. The lock body is made of zinc alloy and alloy steel, which gives it decent strength for its size. And because it's so light, you can clip it to your bag or pocket and forget it's there until you need it. Now some users report issues after changing the code, like getting locked out. Here's the thing though, the manual says to take a photo of your new code, and ROCKBROS offers email support if it fails. It's not perfect, but for under $13, it's a solid backup or secondary lock. Just don't rely on it as your only security layer. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget or want a spare lock for friends or family. Skip this one if you need heavy-duty protection or hate memorizing codes. Product number 4, Matework Heavy Duty Brake and Helmet Lock. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for riders who want serious protection. The Matework Heavy Duty Lock is $25.67 and does double duty. It locks your brake lever and includes a separate helmet lock. It's made from CNC aluminum alloy and comes with anti-scratch pads and a storage bag. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Locking your brake prevents roll-away theft, and the included helmet lock means you're covered on two fronts. The anodized finish is weather-resistant, so it won't rust in the rain. Plus, installation takes 5 seconds, no tools, no hassle. You get 2 keys, 2 helmet locks, and 4 protective pads. Now, some people might find it overkill for short stops. Here's the thing though, if you park in busy cities or leave your bike overnight, this extra layer is worth it. The only downside, it's bulkier than cable locks, so it's not ideal if you're tight on space. This is perfect for you if you want maximum peace of mind and don't mind spending a bit more. Skip this one if you only need helmet security or ride in low-risk areas. Product number 5, Windance Keyed Different Dual Lock. Finally, we have the Windance Keyed Different version, same $19.25 price, same build, but each lock has its own unique key. This is the sibling to the first Windance model, but with separate key sets. If you want independent security for 2 helmets or bikes, this gives you that flexibility. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Maybe you ride with a partner and don't want to share keys, or you have 2 bikes and want separate locks. The anti-drill cut-resistant design is identical to the Kita-like version, so you're not sacrificing security. It still mounts cleanly to 22 handlebars and resists tampering. Now, some might prefer the convenience of 1 key. Here's the thing though, carrying 2 keys isn't a deal breaker if it means better control over your gear. And since it's the same trusted build, you're not losing durability. This is perfect for you if you manage multiple helmets or want separate access. Skip this one if you hate carrying extra keys or only need 1 lock. So which one should you pick? The Windance Kita-like is great for simplicity. The ROCKBROS cable locks win on portability, and the Matework offers full bike protection. The K-Different Windance is ideal for multi-bike riders. No single lock stops every thief, but the right one stops the right kind. Pick based on your ride, your risk, and how much hassle you're willing to accept.